Get excited about the 2012 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Chevrolet paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.